All the old men at the diner, telling tales too tall to tell. They're all bragging about the good old days and how this country has gone to hell. But as for me, I believe we got a heartland full of hope. We're coming back around, 'cause you can't hold down the American soul. It's the joy of Grandma laughing at Grandpa's funny jokes. It's the rumble of those old baseball cards flapping between the spokes. It's the 4th of July picnic. It's farm aid and rock and roll. From town to town, you can hear the sound of the American soul. Oh, say, can you see the flag that you wave? Freedom ain't free in the home of the brave. It's the roots and the boots, from the hard hat to the steel toe. It's the hustle and bustle, blood, sweat, and tears that build the backbone of the American soul. It's the words of amazing grace, and it's born in the USA. It's those Yankees in the playoffs, those Cowboys on a Sunday. It's a red, white, and blue. It's the yellow, brown, and black. It's those rotten old Republicans and those darned old Democrats. Say, can you see the flag that you wave? Freedom ain't free in the home of the brave. It's the roots and the boots, from the hard hat to the steel toe. It's the hustle and bustle, blood, sweat, and tears that build the backbone of the American soul. Of the American soul. Oh, say, can you see the flag that you wave? Freedom ain't free in the home of the brave. It's the roots and the boots, from the hard hat to the steel toe. It's the hustle and bustle, blood, sweat, and tears that build the backbone of the American soul. All we need is a little love to knock off a little rust. Take time to shine that penny, so we can read in God we trust.